Hello everyone, this is Shivam Basra here, currently pursuing Master in Aerospace and Engineering Mechanics from the University of Cincinnati. Today I am going to talk about explainable artificial intelligence. Nowadays, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in plenty of fields and having major breakthroughs in winning complex games in autonomous mobility and other fields show rapid advances of the technology. AI is touching more and more area of human life, covers broad range of concepts and terms, and is making decisions that humans frequently find difficult to decipher. So a new concept of explainable artificial intelligence comes on the surface. XAI is an intrinsic part of AI system that explains the decision-making logic of the system, operates in simple and human language with high accuracy. Now let's understand what is XAI by taking an example. In the following picture, system used some data, say housing data, to train a model through an specific learning process without explainability. This process results in a learn function, which can be then fed input and its output is a prediction in a specific interface, which is what a final user sees and makes decision. However, there is a complication. Like prediction comes with no justification. As a ramification, it leads to creation of some doubts in the mind of the user. There are some general questions that arise in the mind of the user. First, can the user trust the system? As the system is black box model, it is very difficult for the user to trust the system. Second, is there any error in system or not? The user has no idea whether the system is error free or not. Third, what factors does the system consider in order to make a prediction? Fourth, why did this system do that? And fifth, why not something else? All these questions are the reason that make XAI desirable. Now let's talk about another system. But this time the system has a different and a new learning process to learn a function that is associated to the explainable model. This means that this function not only has a capacity of giving us a prediction but also of explaining the reasons behind the prediction. Why XAI is so important? The objective of XAI is to produce more explainable models while maintaining a high level of learning performance and predictive accuracy. There are two factors of XAI. First, transparency. The complexity of AI systems and their internal structures make their inner working difficult to understand, which lead public views about AI turn from euphoria to concern. On the other hand, XAI provides transparency to the user and builds up their trust on the system. But it does not mean the same as having the system that prevents discrimination in algorithm decision making. The second factor is interpretability. XAI is highly recommended as it has the capacity to decipher the logic or reasoning behind each prediction of the system. It is in the form of text description, visualization, local explanations, and examples. There are certain benefits of XAI. First, model performance. XAI augments AI model performance and efficiency as explanation helps the user or developer in pinpoint issues in data and feature behavior. Second, better decision making. It provides additional information like factors or reasons on which predictions are based and also provide confidence to man in middle to act wisely and decisively. Third, control. It gives a sense of control as an AI system owner clearly knows levers for its AI system behaviors and boundaries. Fourth, safety. It gives a sense of safety as each decision can be subjected to pass through safety guidelines and alert on its violation. Fifth, trust. User can trust on XAI as it explains the logic or reason behind the prediction. Sixth, ethics. It monitors for ethical issue and violation due to bias in training data. 7. Accountability. Better mechanism to comply with accountability requirements within the organization for auditing and other purposes. 8. Regulatory. Better adherence to regulatory requirements where right to explain is must have for a system. XAI has a three key dimensions. First, reasonable AI. Explainable artificial intelligence has the ability to understand or decipher the reasoning or logic behind each prediction. Second, traceable AI. XAI is able to trace the prediction process from math algorithm logic to nature of data. Third, understandable AI. It is able to fully understand the model upon which the AI decision making is based. Explainability as an intrinsic property of machine learning algorithm. It is not treated as an optional characteristic or any external property that can be plugged into machine learning classifiers, like adding a new component to a set of given functions and capabilities. It is instead an intrinsic property of every algorithm decision making that can be improved and enhanced. The graph shows different classes of machine learning algorithm. The figure maps five different categories of machine learning techniques into 2D space, illustrating the relationship between explainability and accuracy. The figure represents a visual effort to express the overarching objective that increasing the explainability of machine learning classifiers should be accomplished without decreasing the accuracy of the classifier. There are plenty of applications available of XAI all around the fields. Some of them are: first, it is required in deep neural network in aerospace predictive maintenance. Despite the promising features of DNN, its complex architecture results in a lack of transparency. In their conventional form, DNN is considered as black box models as it is controlled by complex non-linear interaction between many parameters that are difficult to understand. XAI explains all the logics and reasoning behind the process of DNN. Second, XAI plays a crucial role in aircraft wing structure performance. It not only predicts an aircraft wing structure performance but also provides the design drivers behind the predictive performance. Moreover, it not only predicts an anomaly inside an aircraft wing structure but also points to its location by an overlaid heat map. Third, its role is very crucial in driverless automobiles. Driverless cars or self-driving cars are fascinated as long as there is no wrong move made. One wrong move can cost one or more lives in the high-stake application of AI. Explainability is the key to understand the capacity and limitation of the system before deployment. Understanding the shortcomings of driving assistant or autopilot on the field when used by the customer is important so that the reason for shortcomings can be accessed, explained, and fixed on priority. Increasing XAI will not only increase the acceptance of algorithm decision making based on machine learning, but it will also allow engineers to improve the classification mechanism and algorithm decision making itself. In the end, I would like to say thanks to everyone for watching this video, and I hope you like this video and got some information about explainability artificial intelligence.